When did you realize too that artful skill of communication or relationship or even your faith was tied into the alchemy or the chemistry of your business and getting people to trust you and then like you and then do what you advise them to do?
Going back to realizing you're good, I've always been a person that believes in education. Quite frankly, you get a college degree, I think it's worthless within 18 months. It's about what you learn after that. And there's a lot of people, you could name them, Howard Schultz is one for Starbucks, and I'm not sure he needs to have the college degree, but he keeps studying, keep studying. You can get a PhD in learning. And what I did is I just continued to learn. I found good mentors, people who would help me understand things. And I kept asking a lot of questions. And sometimes I probably annoyed the heck out of them, but I ask a lot of questions so I can get the answers so I can help people. And I continue to do that even today. But when you find out you're doing well is when one of your mentors goes, hey, you got it. Look at the people that you're helping and you're seeing, hey, I talked to somebody that I've known for 15 years and they said, you know what? We've taken a great income this whole time and our assets are 30% higher than when we started and we've had a larger income than most of our friends and we're just so excited for that. And I looked at myself and I said, yeah, this is great. I mean, I really love being able to help you create an abundance for yourself. And now they're focused in faith as well. So their goal is to give more to charity and give more to people who they can help that need a step up. And they're funding food pantries and things like that for people who don't have enough.
Right. That's powerful. Well, that learning piece, you and I have talked about that as well. And it just reminded me again about that. I always had this complex about college degree or education or academic because I was always impressed with people that had it. And I was one of those people that didn't. I moved out of my house when I was 17 and I got a year or two of college under my belt, but I never graduated college. So when I got into the business world and I didn't have the college degree, I kept thinking I was going to show up in some boardroom somewhere that everyone had the magic key or the special password that I didn't have. And then I was like, oh God, I don't have that diploma. I'm not going to get to pass it. And luckily, because of what you said, mentors, educated, focused learning, having people that I learned from, trial and error. I mean, I eventually did climb the ladder and became a CEO and worked for Warren Buffett and all of those things. But it wouldn't have been had I not had faith. And it would not have been had I not had massive mentors that really were so gracious in either A, their time and energy, or B, me paying them to advise and coach me.